Ever felt like the support team you're talking to doesn't understand your supplement business? When every minute counts, explaining your products, compliance, and chargeback history over and over wastes time and sometimes cost sales. Here is a quick check. Look for any mention of a dedicated account manager or personalized support. If all you see are FAQ links and chat queues, that processor may not offer real hands help. Most processors handle supplement businesses like any other store, but nutraceuticals have unique compliance, labeling, and refund challenges. A dedicated rep who understands those details can flag risk early, speed up approvals, and help prevent holds before they happen. With EasyPay Direct, you get direct access to a dedicated account manager who actually knows your brand, not just a ticket number. That means faster resolutions and more stable payment operations for your supplement business. Here is a quick FAQ insight. Nutraceutical merchant accounts are designed for supplement sellers who need secure, stable payment processing with expert support. Having a rep familiar with your business model makes it easier to stay compliant and keep payments flowing smoothly. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can learn more about their dedicated support for supplement businesses. Don't settle for generic support. With a dedicated rep from EasyPay Direct, you will have someone who understands your brand, your products, and your challenges, keeping your payments stable and your business protected. Check the link in the description to get started today.